Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 4 best light bar for Jeep Wrangler that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the YITAMOTOR LED light bar. Times and technology change at the speed of light, and that is certainly a plus. I say that simply because these days you can make a true monster out of your good old Jeep. Besides, if not so long ago you were forced to invest a fortune into the update, these days good quality comes for a fair price. Speaking about monsters on the market, YITAMOTOR is surely one of those. The fact is that the light bar that the provider offers is so potent that there is not the slightest chance that poor weather conditions or bumpy night off-road will take you by surprise. Second on the list is the Brawlee rear LED light bar. It is true that when you hear about the light bar for the Jeep, the first thing that enters your mind is the front light bar. However, I will tell you that it is not the only light bar your vehicle may require. Has it ever happened to you that you are stuck somewhere at night and you can't find anything that you are looking for in the trunk because there is not enough light in it? The rear light bar is made from good quality aluminium, which makes it durable. The light itself may not be as potent as that front of the light bar, but you do not need that kind of power in the back. Next is the KC HiLiTES 91308. I am sure that there is barely any off-road explorer that can say they have enough light on the road when it is dark or storming outside. In case you wonder what is another light you can introduce into the system, then windshield lights are there to consider. The KC HiLiTES are certainly a premium quality brand that provides an initiative approach to the matter. It is true that the windshield lights the vendor produces are costly, but the strength and potential are worth every penny. Last up is the Autofeel LED Light Bar Kit. If you ask me, I would say that Autofeel is one of those providers who have gone as far as they could in coming up with such a powerful light bar. To begin with, there is not only a light bar in the set, there are also 4 spot pods and even a hood roof light bar included. All in all, you get a 6-piece set for the price that is less than average. The provider is so sure of the durability and lifetime of the item that they offer a 3-year warranty, which certainly speaks for the quality better than anything. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.